Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janani. Today I'm planning to show you a makeup tutorial which is quite a simple but glam look, which is a smoky eye kind of a look. So let's see how it goes. I haven't planned anything yet. So yeah, let's see. So before going into today's video, don't forget to click the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So without further delay, let's get into the video. I've already prepped my skin guys. For moisturizer today I've used Belif Aqua Bomb moisturizer, which has become my current favorite one, especially during this winter season. It just moisturizes in the right amount and it doesn't feel greasy or heavy for my oily skin. For lips I've used Baskin Nature's Beetroot Lip Balm. This is a beautiful lip balm, slightly tinted one, and I absolutely adore this one. Anyone can definitely try this out. I will leave the discount code of this as well in the description box below so you can check it out. So let's start our makeup step. The first step is the primer. I'm using the Faces Canada Primerizer Primer. I'm just rubbing it in my hand and applying it in the center part of my face mainly, and I'm pressing it on my skin. To cover my hyperpigmentation areas, I'm using the PAC Cosmetics Takeover Concealer in the shade Rusty Orange, and I'm applying it on the areas wherever I need to cover them. I'm going to straightly blend it up with this beauty blender. By the way, this is a damn beauty blender guys. I always prefer using the damn beauty blender to blend my makeup. So that's about my orange corrector. So next I'm going to use the foundation, which is the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Foundation, and it is in this shade 380. This is quite a matte shade for me. So I'm going to take a beauty blender and blend it on my skin. This is a medium to almost buildable coverage foundation and it gives a perfect matte finish. Great for all skin types, but if you have dry skin, moisturize your skin well before using this. I'm going to take the remaining of the foundation, which is in the beauty blender, to my neck and my ears as well. Don't forget to cover your neck and ears as well guys. If you have many lines in your neck, just ignore it, or else cover your neck as well so that it looks the same and even. Next I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa. I'm going to just use it wherever I need much more pigmentation to cover those pigmented and acne spot area. I'm gonna blend it with the same beauty blender. Yes, now the base looks perfect. Next, to highlight my facial features, I'm going to use this Sugar Cosmetics Concealer, and it is in the shade Corn Panda. I guess it's in number 45. So I'm going to apply only a little bit of the concealer to highlight my face. As you can see, I've applied it on the bridge of my nose, under my eyes, on the center of my forehead and on my chin. Blending is the key guys. Blend it well so that there's no any harsh edges and it just looks like skin. So now that my base looks perfect, I'm going to set my entire base with Stay Quickie Loose Powder, and it is in the number 6 I guess. I'm not going to bake today. I'm just going to lightly set my base because I don't want a powder matte finish during this winter season. My skin needs some moisturization, right? So that's how my base looks today. It looks good. quite covered everything. It's clean and it is not heavy to me. It is so lightweight on my skin. I can carry with this base throughout the day. So yeah, I like my today's base. Now let's move on to eyebrows. For eyebrows today, I'm going to use a new product that I purchased on Amazon recently, and this is the Swiss Beauty's eyebrow and eyeliner gel 2-in-1. So they gave me a brush along with this. The top one has the eyebrow powder, and if you open up the lid, you have the eyeliner gel. Today I'm going to first use the eyebrow powder and see how it works. As you know, I always go in the direction of hair growth and in a short strokes to give a natural eyebrow finish but a fuller brows. So that's what I prefer and I like it a lot. It has amazing pigmentation. As you can see here, I'm giving hair-like strokes to make it look natural and even. So that's how I do my eyebrows. If you want a full-on detailed tutorial on how I groom my eyebrows and how I fill them too, these dogs' noise are very bad nowadays. That's how my eyebrows look. It is so good, pigmented and worth the price. Just for this eyebrow product, I would say I'm going to use the gel product either in this tutorial or any other tutorial, and I will give you my final view of this product. But you can definitely try this out, guys. I'm going to finish my other eye and be right back. So that's how my eyebrows look. This product is just love. You can definitely try this out. I will leave all the links of the products in the description box below, so you can definitely check it out. Next, let's move on to my favorite part, which is the eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette in the shade number 1. So first, I'm going to pick this dark brown shade and I'm going to slightly pack this on my inner eyelid. I've just packed it in a way that it looks like a winged eyeliner. Next, I'm going to take this blending brush and I'm going to move on to this maroon shade and I'm going to blend it on my eyes. This is a beautiful pigmented eyeshadow palette which is affordable as well, guys. So you can definitely check it out. And I'm gonna pack and blend. Smoky eye look is just the blending, guys. So the way you blend is very important. Go in a circular motion and in a windshield like motion. I'm gonna take this transition shade and I'm gonna complete the eye. So just blend it just above the maroon shade and give it a good blended look like finish. I'm gonna slightly take this dark brown shade again with a pencil shader brush and I'm gonna slightly deepen the eyelid area. So with the same brown dark shade, I'm gonna complete the lower lash line with a pencil brush. So this is how the look looks like. I'm gonna complete my other eye and be right back. So that's how the eye look turned out. For kajal, I took the Sugar Cosmetics Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal and I'm gonna tight line my upper and lower waterline. For eyeliner today, I'm planning not to do a Paka winged eyeliner, so I'm going to use the Sugar Cosmetics Stroke of Genius Intense Kajal, and it is a black shade but has quite some glitter in it. So it'll turn up the look, I guess. So let's see how it goes. Okay, to make it look more natural, I would say, I've just blended it slightly on the top of the eyeliner with this pencil shader brush. So it is not a sharp winged eyeliner, it's like a smoky eye look which is not fully blended or which is just not left alone. Next, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes with this Vega eyelash curler for the mascara step. For mascara, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Paris mascara, which is the false lash mascara. First, I'm gonna pick the primer side of it. So until the primer step dries out, let's complete off the rest of the makeup. So for contouring, I'm going to use this Nicka K contour, and here I'm going to use this lighter shade. This is a very pigmented product, so I'm going to just take a tad bit of it, dust it off and contour my sides of my cheeks. Next, I'm going to just chisel up slightly on my jawline. And a tad bit on the sides of my nose. So that's it for the contouring, guys. For blush, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild brush in the shade, what is the shade? Mellow Wine. And this is one of my favorite shade. I'm going to apply it with this big powder brush. I'm going to take it slightly and for highlighter, and this is my favorite part, I'm going to use this Mars highlighter. It is in the shade Golden, my favorite shade, such a beautiful shade. So I'm going to highlight my face. So I'm going to highlight my cheekbone. Can you look at that glow? I'm going to highlight the center, bridge of my nose, and then I'm going to use the same highlighter to highlight my eyebrow bone and on the inner corner of my eye. So now that the primer part is dry, I'm gonna fill my eyelashes. Lastly, let's move on to lips. I'm quite confused with the lips, so I go for a darker shade or go for a lighter shade. Okay, I've made a decision, guys. For lips, I'm going to use this Faces Canada lip crayon. I will leave the description of all the products and the links below so you can check it out. I'm going to fill in my lips with this beautiful shade. So I've applied this beautiful shade named Scandalous, and I think this lip look matches with the eye look. I'm just loving this maroon toned berry kind of a look, complete bold eye and lip. Yeah, I'm very happy today, so I'm gonna complete off my entire other look and be right back. So this is how my makeup looks like today. I hope you all like this look. If you do so, don't forget to give a like, comment down below what more videos you want me to do next, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. I'm in love with this entire bold fall kind of a look. You can definitely give this look a try. If you're gonna try, don't forget to tag, if you have any Instagram handle, you can tag my Instagram handle StylePhotoDanu. There you can find more regular of my skincare, haircare and makeup content. You can definitely check out my Instagram page. So yeah, until next time, bye.